Okay, so here's the out back of my house. Oops, I'll try to find the steps here. Alright. Risking my life for these photos. Beautiful, but deadly. There's a little bird bath. Very quiet. Nothing that's alive is outside at this point. If it is, it's buried under the snow. Let's see if I can get a good picture of my picnic table here. Oh, there it is. Gives you an idea of the snow so far. And my back door, which is propped open from all the snow. I'm going to go over and try to rescue my little trees over there. See if I can get a close up. A little bird bath.